Hi, AJ from Clearview Accessories here. Just a couple of quick pointers. Watch your wiring and take your time. As you can see, we've got a port here, which is where the wiring comes through. So some of the wiring looms you need to pull all the way through. Others, the adapter or the connector will sit just at the port, and that's where you plug it into. Now, when you're putting your mirrors back on, you've got to be sure when you're tightening up the bolts that there's no wires crushed underneath, okay? So pull through the wiring if it needs to be pulled through, or just make sure that you've checked beneath the sealing rubber that no wires are over the metal lips of the base itself. So protect your wiring, take your time, an extra 2 or 3 minutes, making sure that all of your connections and wiring is safe and able to plug in, because these are simply just plug and play in the vast majority of cases. After putting your Clearview mirrors on your car, keep your OEM mirrors handy, just in case. Now, whilst accidents happen, most damage to mirrors can actually be repaired back in our factory. So keep your OEM mirrors to put them back on in case of an emergency. That way your car stays street legal, and we'll take care of repairing your mirrors. Stay safe out there. We'll catch you next time.